Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a dashboard in Splunk. Dashboards help you visualize and monitor your data effectively, making insights easier to understand. First, log into your Splunk account and open the Splunk Enterprise or Splunk Cloud interface. Make sure you have access to the apps and data sources you want to use. Next, navigate to the Dashboard section from the main menu. Click on Create New Dashboard, then give your dashboard a name and optional description. You can also choose a layout template based on how you want your panels arranged. Once your dashboard is created, it's time to add panels. Click Add Panel and choose whether you want a chart, table, or single value visualization. You can select a pre-built search or create a new search to pull the data you need. After adding panels, customize them by adjusting colors, titles, and visualization settings. You can resize or reposition panels to make your dashboard more intuitive. When your dashboard is complete, click Save. You can also share it with team members or set permissions for viewing or editing. And that's it. Now you know how to build a Splunk dashboard to monitor and visualize your data efficiently. Dashboards make it easy to spot trends and track key metrics at a glance. Thanks for watching, and happy Splunking!